What's up, everybody? It's Jeremy. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a really cool application that, as of the time I'm recording this, isn't even out yet. It's by LittleFinLLC, which, as most of you guys know, I did a video for them before on Chronicle 3. It was about 2 months ago, I think, which is a really awesome application. You should go check that out on their website right here. They were cool enough to put my video on their website, my review of Chronicle 3. So I definitely like this company. I like the software that they make. So this is just another one that's just now coming out that's really awesome. It's a way to make a home inventory list of all the different things that you buy. You can keep serial numbers, the values of things, when you purchased items. This is digital like software, stuff like that, or actual physical things like anything you could actually buy, from books to lawnmowers or anything else. So it's definitely a really cool application. So I'm going to go ahead and get into the menu bar because there's a lot to cover on this application. First, you've got About Compartments. This just gives you the version number. You can check for updates here. And then you got your preferences. Your default item kind, you can select, say you buy mostly electronics, you can put this on electronics and that'll be the default item kind. There's lots of different ones on here. You can see all those. You can pause the video and check that out. I'll show you where you enter this in just a second. Appearance, right here, just say you click on an item. You can show the item toolbar background, which is checked now, or you can uncheck that and that takes that off down here. You can show the item totals, which is right up here in this corner, or you can hide that if you choose to. And you can check for updates at startup, which I always recommend, because anytime there's an update, it's usually a bug fix or a new feature or something like that. So definitely recommend that. Advanced, this is where your database is stored, so this is where it finds all of your items and all of that. I just left it as default. I wouldn't really recommend messing with that, but you can if you choose to. And you can use this on different on multiple computers, and you can click here and it gives you instructions on how to do that. And then over here is just a list of all of your tags that you've set up, and I'll get into that in just a second. File, you can add a new item, a quick add, new location, new collection, all the different things here that you can actually do on the main interface. I usually use the main interface as opposed to menu bar, just because it's a little bit quicker to get to usually. Edit is just your basic edit, same for format. Reports, you can go in here and select whatever location right over here on the left panel. You can select a report on that location and it'll give you all the different items, the total value of all of those. I haven't really added much software yet, I just wanted to add real quick to do the video. Insurance report, this gives you a list of all of the things that you've got added on here with the pictures, the values, the notes, all the different things like that. And then it gives you your total items. I've got 16 and the estimated value is $10,525. You can go to view here and you can view all items, which you can also do right here on the main interface. You can hide the toolbar, which is the top, or you can customize the toolbar, which you can do from the main interface as well. Window is your basic window. You got a quick start guide right here. It just gives you a little idea of how to start up using the application. Keyboard shortcuts, you can visit their website here. And the help file, which isn't as of right now even on here. I'm sure that will be added probably before this application's actually released. So just basically a way to get around the application, shows you everything that you need to know. So I'll go ahead and show you. I've got application set up as a location. This is the only app I've got added so far. It gives the date acquired. I just estimated on this because I didn't really want to go back through and look. The value of the software, and here's where I will put my serial number when I'm not doing the video. The notes, I just put that I'm going to change the serial number once the video is over. You can add a picture here. I didn't really have a picture for this, so I didn't really add one. And then you can add different tags, which you can use to search later on. Another location is things that I've bought for my bedroom, which would be my Mac. I put the date that I bought it, which actually I think March 12th is the day that it actually came to my door from FedEx. The value, which is just a rough estimate. I put the notes, just specs on my iMac, which I will hopefully be selling for $27 soon. And then the tags, I put computer, Apple, Mac, and iMac, and then I put a picture of it on my old desktop here. My new TV that me and my girlfriend bought. When we bought it, the value, the tags, pictures. You can see I do this all the way down through my new external hard drive, my external eyesight, my headset, and my new Xbox. Car, I've got different things set up here. What I was wanting to show here was the exhaust. I put the make and model of it. It's Greddy is the company, Evo 2 is the actual type of exhaust. All these just have different tags and stuff like that. Other, my iPhone 3GS, you can see that there's different little icons over here, which I'm going to get into in just a second, show you guys that. And then Mac, which is actually the name of my little Yorkie I'm getting this Sunday. I wonder how I came up with that name. Anyway, you can go over here and you can actually view all of your items. You can sort alphabetically. You can sort by type or location if you want to do that. Location probably makes it a little bit easier. You can add a new location here, which will show up here. You can add a new item. Say you want to add a new, I don't know, put something in. You can put it in any of these locations, or another little trick that I just learned while I was talking to the guy that developed this application in an email just a second ago. Say you want to add something, you just bought a new lawnmower. This would be outdoor because it doesn't really fit into any of these, and I don't want to put too many different types of things in my other location. So you can put a new location right here as you're making a new item, and it'll actually save it over here. So instead of having to go in and add a location and then add an item, you can actually save some steps and just add the new location through the new item, if that makes sense. Hopefully watching it makes more sense than me trying to explain it. You can delete these different ways. Say that you ended up not buying the lawnmower. You can either highlight this and go up here and go to File, Delete Location, or you can highlight it and just click the delete key. It'll ask you if you're sure you want to delete it. Click delete and you're good to go. Say you want to go into apps and you want to add a new item. It'll automatically go to this location. Say Compartments is the new one I want to add. This right here is where I was talking about the different types. This gives you a little icon, so it makes it a little bit easier to go through all the different things that you've got listed in a location and sort through those a little bit easier. This would be a document. I'd put the value of this application, when they sent me the license, make and model. I guess you could just put the version number when you bought it. Serial number right here. You could put notes about the type of application it is. Just if you have a lot of applications you don't use. You can set up your tags. You just you want to hit, say, Apple, and then you want to hit iMac. Then you want to hit Command after each one, and that will separate your tags. You can go in here, click Add Image. It gives you different images right here. You can take a picture. You can choose a file on your computer. However you want to do that. Say you've got a lot of applications right here that you want to add at once, and you really don't want to go in and add all the specific details of each application right now. You can go to Quick Add. Say that you want this to go in the apps location. Just put Compartments, skip a line, put whatever, another, and just go down here and add all of these, and then it'll add all of those, and then you can go back later on and edit all the details on that. So it's really, really cool that way. Search, you can go up here and search by tag. You can search by names or kinds. I usually search by tags because I tag my items. I'm pretty specific about the way I do that. So you say, I want to search for Apple. It's anything that was tagged with Apple in it, iMac, my 3GS, my external eyesight, all those show up here, and then you can actually save this as a smart collection, and then these are all down here. So I've got my Apple smart collection, and then my custom, which would be the custom things that I've done to my car mostly, like this custom fiberglass monitor, my custom piece turbo kit that I bought all separately and put together. You can move this item if you choose to. Say I want to move this somewhere else. You can put where you want to move it. You can go through here and click whichever location you want to move it to, or you can type a new location and it'll put it in there. You can delete it. You can go in here and edit and change different things about it. Say I actually have a picture of my turbo kit. I can go in and add that, save the changes, and just puts all that together. So let me know what you guys think about it. So comment, rate, subscribe as always, and I will have more videos for you guys soon. Thanks.